Hello everyone, this is Swapnil from BizPlusCRM, and today I'm going to demonstrate you about the dashboard module in BizPlusCRM and how useful it can be for your business. For any CRM, a dashboard is something that monitors your business performance and data to provide a quick and easy overview of current business performance using charts, graphs, and of course numbers. So as soon as you log in into your BizPlus account, the first page that shows up is your dashboard. And as you can see, here are the four main tabs, which are namely open inquiries, open quotations, contacts, and open tasks. Open inquiries are the inquiries which have not been closed or are still under follow-up stage. So just by clicking here on more info, the data of all the open inquiries would show up on your screen. Same, open quotations shows the data of clients to whom quotations have been sent and are under quotation follow-up stage. So you can get all the data of open quotations just by clicking over here or on more info. Next is contacts. Contacts, as you can say, it is your online directory where all the information of all your clients is stored. So you can get all the information just by clicking on more info just below contacts. Open tasks, now this shows the task assigned to the user. It can be internal task at work or something to remind the user that has to be completed within given time. Now you can see drop downs saying today's inquiry follow-ups, overdue inquiry follow-ups, overdue quotation follow-ups, and again tasks. So today's inquiry follow-ups, it shows the data of clients whose follow-ups is scheduled for today. So you can get that data directly here on first page as soon as you log in into your account. So it has to be completed on priority basis as soon as you log in. So this has to be your first task as you log in into your account, that is today's inquiry follow-ups. Next is overdue inquiry follow-up. So just in case for any instance, if you missed on to follow up with a client or you failed to follow up with a client and update it, it gets under this section, that is overdue inquiry follow-up, and it has to be again updated on priority basis because you don't want to keep your clients in overdue status. Now the same is here for quotation follow-ups. The follow-ups missed for quotation, that data will be displayed over here. Now about tasks. Today's task, it shows the tasks that have been assigned to you for today, and same as for overdue tasks, the tasks which have not been completed yet comes under this particular section, that is overdue tasks. So this shows a good picture on how you should plan your day and do timely follow-ups and complete your tasks, thus managing your leads in more organized way. So this particular data would definitely help you in organizing all your data and again contacting with your client on timely basis. Again, on the right side you can see two charts, namely my inquiry chart and my quotation chart. My inquiry chart shows all the data, or maybe the number of leads, or maybe the flow of number of leads that have been updated in the CRM in last 10 days, and the same would be for quotation, the number of quotations that have been sent in last 10 days. So it shows the graphical representation of inquiries and quotations for last 10 days. Going below you can see an option for quick email. So we have made available this option for clients to send quick emails to their customers. So you can just you just can organize your email over here directly and send quick emails to the clients. So this is how a dashboard for BizPlusCRM looks like. I'll be coming up with more videos on different modules of BizPlusCRM. So you can just comment below whatever queries you have, or maybe whatever questions you comes up with, and you can ask whatever you want, and I'll be answering definitely with those questions. See you till next video. Thank you.